So, the most vital part of YouTube income for me, the most important stream of income from YouTube for me is the is the AdSense income. Now, to some people, they don't care for that. They don't they don't even plan on getting that income. But I have my reasons as to why this part of the income is what I look to gain first. I am working towards that before I tried any other income. Now, believe you me, you don't necessarily have to be monetized before you can make an income from YouTube. You can go through with affiliate marketing, and you can create courses. You can sell templates. You can, so you can sell. I'm not sure if you are allowed to sell merchants right away before monetization, but yes, those avenues. Oh, I have a hiccup. Those avenues in creating income is there. So you don't necessarily have to wait for monetization for that. For me, none of those income is important to me as yet. As yet. I'll do them, but it's not right now. I want to see the AdSense grow for me. Here's how I look at that. The first duty I was able to perform or learn about for my YouTube channel was to create the faceless videos. So I've vested a lot of time there, and I am somewhat good with that. Well, I'm gonna take. Well, it's barely on the pass. I'm at a B minus grade. But I'm proud of myself for coming this far, considering that I am not tech savvy at all. I have good analytical skills, but I am not tech savvy. So to have reached there, I wanted to see income from the work that I have put in. And I have seen a small amount this far, and I am very happy about that. Here's how I view this. Yes, you can create courses. Yes, you can make money from it. I just don't want that to be my first mainstream of getting into this business. I am on a different path. I want to see the AdSense income, because believe you me, AdSense income can amount to something if you keep working at those videos, if you keep being consistent. It to me, that can just be like you having a job, and the only way excuse me, and I'm not going to edit that. Okay. I'm not going to take that out. So the where was I? Yeah. So AdSense income, to me, it's like having a job that pays you a monthly income. The only way you will lose that job is if you stop working. So my point is, if I continue to put out videos, which I love to do, I like doing that, and I've learned how to read the analytics to tell me what type of videos I should put out. That's I've learned the gold mine niches that I should put out. Videos that relating to my niche. Those are gold mine. I know the title, the topic, based on my CPM that I got from previous videos. And I've been doing them. I think I replicate about 7 videos this week from one of my high CPM video. And those 7 video, out of the 7 video, 4 of them have a CPM of within $33 to $48. 4 of them for the CPM. So I've been playing with these analytical skills that I've gained, and it seemed to be working because, gone are the days when I put out 10 videos and CPMs are $10, $20 and $20 and under. Some of them have $3 CPM for, yes, gone are those days because I know what to put out. So for me, the AdSense is important because I think I have somewhat understand what's required of me to be successful in that stream of income. Okay? Now, affiliate program is good. I haven't tried it yet. I haven't started yet and I think one of my fear with these things, it could be the fact that I am not as tech savvy as I'd like to be. And so I have to think about it and, I'll get at it and I'll do it. But it's so time consuming to learn all these things that, I'm slowing up here. Right after I finish this video, I am going to move on to see how I can create sales funnels and all that. At some point the course is coming. At some point, yeah. So, ooh, it's so much to do. So, but what I have to say is that my main stream of income is AdSense. All the other revenue streamlines are important. And again, this video was about how you can still make money from your YouTube channel without being monetized. You can do it through the affiliate program. For those of you who need me to get information on that, matter of fact, I do have the steps and how to go about that, but I just haven't taken the initiative myself because at this point I'm not interested in gaining that type of income stream. I am focusing mainly on AdSense. Call me a fool, but that's what I'm doing. I'm sure some people are like, why would you wait? No, you go on with your affiliate programs and your course that you're selling. I am all for those things, but at this point, I think I'm going to slow down and just take it easy. But I like the stream of AdSense. AdSense can be pretty high paid. Believe that. And it keeps coming when you're making the right videos. And if you learn to master making the right videos, then you're on to something. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. If you're onto something, it is just a matter of time. And for me, I'm focused on that. People are wondering, why would you focus on that? It's because they do not know the potential of what AdSense revenue can do for you. They do not know the potential. That's what that is. If they knew the potential, I am sure they'll be working towards, getting that. The two most important, or three most important streams of income for your YouTube channel. I am not there yet. I don't understand how this works. I am not there yet to talk about brand deals. I'm not nowhere near there yet. But so I'm going to leave that out, excluding brand deals. The 3 most important would be the AdSense, the affiliate marketing, and the course, selling your course. Yeah. Yep, those are good. But as for me, I wanna start off to see where once AdSense is up and going for me, then yeah, I can focus elsewhere. I just have a few more months to focus on AdSense, and yeah, yeah. It's not, it sounds like it's petty cash, but it's petty cash at this stage. AdSense revenue is petty cash at this stage with huge potential if you're creating the right videos. It has huge potential. This goes on. This is like your yearly income, your yearly salary that you receive from you every year gets better for you. There's an increase, and so with you having the channel anywhere between 2 to 4 years, you definitely will get ad income, because clearly I've seen videos that get some huge payouts in ad income, and it's the videos are nowhere near yours. But like I said, you can't judge. Everybody's experience is not the same. These people who are getting huge revenue from AdSense probably have a history with YouTube from previous content that they created for years from years ago. I just wanted to point that out there. Why am I interested in this? Because it can be pretty good to get that kind of monthly income. Again, my name is Claudia. I'll talk to you later.